and not a core vaccine. I'm recommending that now for pretty much everybody with any risk factors. Then the risk factors are, if you're thinking about boarding, if you got a board for the holidays, and the holidays are coming up whatsoever, you got a board for the holidays, you got to do this, got to do that, you want Bordetella, you want influenza, don't ask. But the whole lesson that I learned, the profession should have learned, and dog owners need to know about the fatalities and the many fatalities that occurred in the influenza outbreak in 2015 in Chicago and around the country, because we had it here in Southern California, they had it in New York, they had it in Florida, they had it everywhere. The lesson we learned when we did autopsies on those poor croaked dogs was they had all kinds of comorbidities.